10-year overview reading for USO throughout the years of 2020 through 2029. It's currently October 16, 2022, 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time. The current price of USO shares is $70.17. The overall theme and behavior for USO, we have a big move higher out of oversold territory. It's crossed with a significant bottom. So there's either, based on these two cards alone, there's either a significant bottom that's net, and then we shoot higher, like significant bottom on a multi-year chart, and then we shoot higher on it, like it would stand out on a multi-year chart, or we shoot higher followed by a sharp decline into a low. My sense is that we shoot higher out of a bottom. There's like a significant bottom here in this 10-year period. There's a big move higher out of it. I'm surprised. The behavior on the 10-year high is a rally into the high, increasing with momentum as we move forward into the high. And then the behavior around the low, they're selling from a crest, from a prominent crest on a multi-year chart, down to and through a support level. And then we do a U-shaped reversal below that support level, come back and reuse it as support. In 2020, there's 3 pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp decline after that third poke. And that decline continues into 2021, where we have an opportunity to open up a long position in the midst of the decline. 2022, there's a rally higher, standing out on a multi-year chart, offering an opportunity to open up a short position and sell a long position. 2023, we have notable decline through multiple support levels, and this is on the scale of a multi-year chart, my friends. 2024, out of a decline, we have a big move higher, all the way from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, and that's on a large multi-year range. 2025, a decline. Wow, this is pretty crazy. 2025, we have a decline through multiple support levels, a significant failure here in 2025 on the scale of a multi-year chart. 2026, we have a move higher through a critical resistance level on a multi-year chart, and then we fall back, we break back down through that same price level shortly thereafter, kind of making like an A shape. If the price level was like the line, horizontal line through the letter in English language of the capital A, and then we go like this through it. 2027, a crest that's easily missed. It's an opportunity at a crest or a peak it's usually a peak that's easily missed. So it could be this peak actually, but there's sharp decline from that peak. It's easily missed, and a sharp decline through multiple support levels on a multi-year chart. And that's 2027. In 2028, we have bullish price swings. In 2029, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line that ends with a fast sudden move to the upside, and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility as we move forward in time. I'm advised to trade around a period of sideways rotation where we have a sharp dip that stands out on a multi-year chart, and that sharp dip brings us to a support level where we're revisiting a recent past opportunity. So somewhere within like a 3-year period, usually on the scale of a 10-year reading. The next 10-year period, we have a rally offering an opportunity to position oneself for a downturn. Guys, we're going to take a look at the pattern recognition portion and identify the highs and lows to the year, as well as trade opportunities and all that, using the proprietary system of Eso-Meta analysis developed by yours truly over 23 years, found nowhere else. But before we do that, my friends, we put out 906 videos in the last 365 days, 93 in the last 30. They're all free, my friends. All I do is this, but I need your help. I need your support. The gift is for you. I mean, the gift of giving is for me, but the gift of the finance seems to be for others. So with that said, need your help, need your support in order to keep this channel, continuing to produce this kind of content. Much appreciated to all of you out there that do support us. And take a moment to subscribe and stick around if it's new to you. With that said, follow the rule of karma, and let's see what the pattern recognition portion has to say. All right, guys, looking at the pattern recognition portion, we have there was a pretty juicy opportunity for USO to open up a long position, looks like in 2021 in the midst of a decline, and then sell that position around a high in 2022
2022, in the midst of a rally, it offers an opportunity to open up a short position, and it looks like you could probably sell that short position in 2023. I'd probably be safe and sell it in 2023 if I did that, and then it looks like there's another high in the next 30-year period, and it's offering an opportunity to open up a short position as well. There's another low as well there too. So between this high and low here, which are in the same year to be clear, there's a high and a low here in 2022. After that, it's like down 1 year, up the next, down 1 year, up the next. Well, this is kind of like up and back down, down, back and forth, back and forth. Just a lot of like back and forth stuff going on, guys. I'm advised to trade around the revisiting of a critical support level that was recently a past opportunity when we have a sharp dip within a period of sideways rotation. And recent on the scale of a 1 year, 10-year chart, I'd say would be within like 3 years. That's USO, guys. Overall, it's a lot of back and forth, a lot of choppiness there. The highs and the lows are within close proximity to each other on the timeline, which means that you can make some quick trades in it. We'd have to look into the next 30-year period to see when the next one is. Alright guys, hit that like button if you like this, you want to see more USO. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, follow that rule of karma, my friends. It's super important for the world, it's super important for the channel, it's super important for your own reality. I'll see you on the next one, guys.